In the year 2001, a unique creation was successfully tested and developed into convenient VP Softgels. Within the next 2 years, the formulation was further enhanced and subsequently manufactured in the form of potent oral supplements, the MF3 VP Softgel Advanced Formula or VP+. Plants have embryos similar to mammals. In the developing embryo, stem cells differentiate into specialized embryonic tissues. Significant pools of stem cells were maintained by plants to sustain growth and to replace tissues in a continuing manner. The phytochemicals of plant stem cells, combined with the synergistic ingredients, potentially retard aging and promote faster cell division. The potent ingredients detoxify, regenerate, and heal damaged tissues and organs. MF3 Dermacenta stimulates cellular renewal, improves the oxygen supply in our cells, and enhances the protein synthesis in our skin to maintain its youthfulness. The properties also strengthen skin cells against premature photoaging and chronological aging, giving you finer rejuvenated, revitalized, and regenerated skin. The meticulous preparation of the nutritional placenta compounds in MF3 softgel capsules can sustain up to 4 years in highly bioactive form. These nutritional substances have the ability to repair, reproduce, and protect cells from toxic intrusion. Dermacenta is suitable for a person regardless of age, sex, or skin types. MF3 VP Softgel Advanced Formula underwent stringent quality and health control standards. Scientific studies concluded that placental extract contains high level of special proteins which promote cell growth, regulate hormone secretion, and strengthen the body's immune system. Proven through double-blinded placebo-controlled clinical studies at the Skin Testing Institute in Neuchâtel of Switzerland, VP Softgel Advanced Formula is an assurance of safety, quality, and efficacy to consumers with the ability to enhance and invigorate our bodies with a wide range of health benefits. MF3 placental extract gives you not only beautiful skin with vibrant vitality, but also a regenerated, younger, and healthier you.